Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang Adamson Soaring Falcons sa isang do-or-die game para sa last Final Four berth 70-48. Best player of the game si Jared Brown matapos humakot ng 20 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 11 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists si Kiteves. Mason Amos 10 points, 2 rebounds. Balungay 7 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Ubasa 4 points, 16 rebounds, 2 blocks. Andrew Bungo 4 points, 2 rebounds. Con 3 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Nieto 3 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Para naman sa natalong Adamson Falcons, Matt Erolon 9 points, 2 rebounds. Hanapi 8 points, 4 rebounds. Kalisay 5 points, 1 block. Mansano 4 points, 6 rebounds. Yero 4 points, 3 rebounds. Montibon 4 points, 2 assists. Sabandal 4 points. Magbuhos 3 points, 5 rebounds. Jerome Lastimosa 3 points, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang Final 4 game schedule na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ang UP Fighting Maroons na may twice to beat advantage kontra sa Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 2 ng hapon. Magharap naman ang Dilisio Green Archers na may twice to beat advantage kontra sa NU Bulldogs alas 6 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings as of November 22, 2023. UP Fighting Maroons 12 wins, 2 losses. Dilisio Green Archers 11 wins, 3 losses. NU Bulldogs 10 wins, 4 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 7 wins, 7 losses. Adamson Falcons 7 wins, 7 losses. UE Red Warriors 4 wins, 10 losses. FEU Tamaraws 3 wins, 11 losses. UST Rolling Tigers 2 wins, 12 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.